So guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create and upload your first project from VS Code to GitHub. GitHub is a version control tool where developers can be able to upload their projects, update their projects, maybe collaborate with other developers when they are developing one single project together. So, and it's a very powerful tool, and as a developer you really need this. So the first thing that you do is download Git. This is the first thing you do. So you come here and since I'm using a Windows PC, I'll hit on Windows and then click here to download. Once I hit on that, it's going to start downloading immediately. So I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna cancel it actually because I already have it. Why should I already have it? I don't know. Let me download. I'm not sure if I have Git in my account. For now, before Git finishes to download, there's another thing that you need. You need to have a GitHub account. Make sure that you differentiate the two. Git and GitHub, they are two different things, but they work together. Yeah, Git version controls, GitHub now receives those version controls. Yeah, maybe I'm confusing you or something. So make sure that you have a GitHub account. Like for me, I have one, as you can see here. I'm already signed in. So before Git finishes, maybe you can open up a GitHub account for yourself, and I'll see you when the download finishes. So the download has finished. Now you can come here and open the file or show in folder, whatever. So open the file to begin installing. So hit on yes, agree, next. A Git folder already exists. Yeah, I already had it, so same folder, next, and next. Use git bash git from the command line. Third-party software, use Git, optional Unix. Just next. Nothing big, nothing huge. Use external, open SS. Use bundled, next. Use native Windows secure channel library. Server certificate will be valid using next. Match, nothing big. Check out Windows style. Use Windows default console window. Yes. Next. Default fast forward. Yes. Grid. Yes. Enable file system caching. All right. Configuring experimental options. Enable experimental building pseudos. I've never heard of this, so just ignore them and continue my installation. The only problem, what I'm worried with, is just being able to install Git in the correct way in my computer. So we're going to wait until it finishes, and it's going very fast. So I'm not gonna post a video for now because it's installing very fast. Very fast. So I don't wanna fire up VS Code before Git finishes its installation, because I want VS Code to fire up and initialize automatically those Git files. So I don't want this release notes. I can just finish. Yeah, now I have Git in my computer. So to check if I have Git installed in my computer, I will go to Windows, type cmd, and then hit run. Then I'm going to say git space -version. I can see that I have Git version 2.3 9.1. Yeah, so I already have it. Now I'm going to fire up VS Code. Once I fire up VS Code, open up, close all these folders that were here. Make sure that the auto save is checked. Close all folders. Let me start another new folder. Close that one. Maybe if you already have another project, you can head over to that project. So I already had a project here in my JavaScript. I had project here. I had, let me say like this, starter file. Come to this file, drag it and drop it into your VS Code. There you go. Drop it there. You can see here is my starter file. There you go. This is just dummy content, no problem. Now the main goal of this tutorial was to launch this project to GitHub. I already installed the Git, so I'm going to go to the version control. Once I go to the version control, two steps needed. First is initializing this project, then publishing it. But before we publish it, there is another step that is needs to be done. So for now, I'm going to initialize this repo. Yes, this is like connecting Git to GitHub. Yep, initialized. So I've initialized it. Now I need to add a commit message. You need a commit message in any submission to GitHub. So because this is my first commit message, I'm gonna just type initial commit, then I will commit that project. There are two steps in uploading. First is to commit the project. The second is to publish or push the project. So for now, as you can see, it is asking me for to publish this branch. As you can see, this branch is in the master branch right here. So let me just type master. It's in the master branch. So I'm gonna hit the publish, then let me just hit the first one there and hit enter. It's going to upload the files, and as you can see, these files are being uploaded, and it will create a new repository for me in GitHub. So it has finished. Open GitHub. As you can see, now there you go. You have these files. You have this starter. It has been created for me direct. Now let us see if we can be able to make any change. For example, this font size here, let us type, instead of 50 pixels, let us increase it to 100 pixels. So go back to the project here, give it 100 pixels, and since our file autosave is checked, it has already saved for us. Now the only thing that you need to do is to commit this change. Once you commit this change, you're gonna go here to this icon, and then you're going to hit on push. So you're going to push those changes and wait until this loading bar finishes. Go back to your project and reload it. Let us see if it has updated. Wow, excellent, it has updated the project. Now these I'm showing you how to update to upload your past project in GitHub. Now in the next tutorial I'm going to show you more on GitHub. So for now, hang on, subscribe to my channel and make sure that you share so that so many people may know and understand this, and also to promote my channel. Bye bye for now.